How to hide members in a WhatsApp group. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be sent to the home page of your account where all of your available chats will be present. Here, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen and select Create a Group. After that, add members into it and save. Now tap on the group banner at the top and select Add Group to a new community feature. Here, you will be asked to create a new community and name it. Once done, make sure to add members into the community and not in the group. If you do so, the numbers and names of community members will be hidden from everyone except the admin. So that's basically how you can hide members in a WhatsApp group. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.